Sometimes you're so attracted to somebody, man. Every day you just want to see them naked. You just want to see them naked. You know what I mean? It's not like, I don't know, man. It's just like, that's the way you feel.
Mon cher, ou gen yon seule solution, c'est ralenti sous toute sac douce. Ralenti sous toute sac douce.
MS Podcast is back. This is Moses talking to you today, and we're going to talk about attraction in relationships and why it is very important to be attracted to your partner, right? Because it has a very, very good advantage. Let's do it.
Oh Lord, L-Won, yeah. Docteur mandem pour me ralentir sur toute sa croix douce. Moi mandé à qui que m'bral capable ralentir sous, yeah. M'vle le monde entier, moun kap tande m'konne ou son sous. Kap koule miel, et m'ba ka fè menti sous.
Physical attraction is a fundamental part of any romantic relationship. It's the initial spark that makes you notice each other in a crowded room. And let's be real, we all want to feel desired by our partner. But here's the thing. Being very attracted to your girlfriend or partner isn't just about appearances. It goes a lot deeper than that.
Baby, you so sweet. You the best in the street. Eu sou anti son pi. Depuis c'est où baguette pas vini tout sweet. Yeah. Bouquet passé. Bouquet goûté. Mais goût pas on la différent.
We're doing it.
C'est différent. Gopil ka parler.
When you're genuinely attracted to someone, it fuels a natural energy in a relationship. It enhances intimacy. Think about it. When you can't stop thinking about her and you're blown away by her smile and how she carries herself, that admiration translates into how you interact with her every day. It keeps the romance alive and you keep showing off to your best ability just for her.
Sans raison faire. Et puis moi on m'envie faire bagaille, baby. Go bagaille, baby. Ou go côté. Depuis mon train va m'en sortir. Et puis moi on m'envie faire bagaille, baby. Faut travail, baby. On bel travail, essentiel qui t'est nasty.
And here's the kicker. Attraction has this funny way of inspiring gratitude. You are constantly reminded of how lucky you are to have her. When you're attracted to your partner, you don't take her for granted because you see and feel how special she is.
Guillaume Depi.
For anyone wondering, isn't too much attraction a bad thing? Let me break it down for you. Attraction doesn't mean you are blinded by her flaws or imperfections. It means that you enhance them. You love her through the bad and the good. When she has a bad hair day or she has a beautiful dress on, you know what I mean? It's like that's the balance, that's the beauty in the attraction when you very, very, very much attracted to somebody. Sometimes you're so attracted to somebody, man. Every day you just want to see them naked. You just want to see them naked. You know what I mean? It's not like, I don't know, man. It's just like, that's the way you feel.
Baby, montre m'ba mande sorti. Baby, moi, m'envie faire bagay. Baby,
Beautiful song, man. Beautiful song. Check it out, check it out.
faut travail, baby. On bel travail, essentiel qui très nasty.
So being attracted to your partner is not just a good thing, it's a blessed thing. It keeps the relationship exciting, it inspires love, and it reminds you every day that you've got each other, and you've got someone worth celebrating. And in my opinion, that's the kind of energy every relationship deserves. Don't be shy to give her love, and don't be shy to give her love. Thank you for all the love, man. Thank you for all the love. We appreciate it here. And until next time.